Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to our HTML training session. Today we will talk about HTML tags. HTML tag tell the browser what content to display and how to display it. Most tags come in appear an opening and a closing tag. The opening tag start the element and the closing tag end it. Some tags such as the BR tag are self-closing and do not require a closing tag. Let us see some of this with an example. So first of all, the opening tag start with an HTML element and it are separate brackets. Here, a simple paragraph tag is given. This is the opening tag of the p tag which define a paragraph. And then there is a closing tag. The closing tag is used to end an HTML element. It is closed in angle brackets and it is preceded by a forward slash. For example, in p tag, the forward slash comes just before the tag name paragraph to include that it is a closing tag, and then after that comes a self-closing tag. The self-closing tag is used for elements that do not have any content or children. It combines the opening and the closing tag, like the br tag here. So this is a self-closing tag which create a line break just like we press enter on the keyboard. Now we will see some common HTML tag. Like in this, first of all, tag is given, then after that there is a description and then there is an example. So here is the HTML tag. What is the HTML tag? It is a root element of the document and let's see some example of it. HTML is the opening tag, then this is the closing tag. Then after that there is the head tag here. What does the head tag do? It contains meta information and then its example is something like this. The opening tag of the head tag is like this and the closing tag is like this, and whatever meta information it containing is between will come here. And after that here from the title tag, what does the title tag do? It shows the title of the document which we see in the browser tab. So its example is like this. This is its opening tag and this is the closing tag. Content is between them. What does the body tag do? It contains whatever content is here. There is the document. Whatever is displayed on the browser. Whatever is written in it. So its example is like this, like body, or we can put any content in the middle here. Inside that, then after that come H1 and H6. Now H1 is the highest and the H6 is the smallest. And after that we see its example here. We took the H1 tag and then inside it we can put the main heading. So its example will be something like this. Then here is p tag. P tag is used for paragraph. So inside this there will be some example of its p tag is some way. This p tag, this is the start tag and this is the closing tag. Next is the a tag, also now as a anchor tag. The a tag is used to create links. We can include any URL inside it and can put content inside it. And its starting tag we can give in links as given in example here by giving attribute inside it. The image tag is self-closing tag used to insert image. It's include attribute like src to specify the image and alt for accessibility. Unordered list. The UL tag is used to create an order list. Inside the UL tag, we use li tag to define individual list item. Order list. The OL tag is used to create order list. Item are also defined using li tag and the number appears automatically. Now, list item. Li define list item. UL inside it li item first and item second. Division tag. The div tag is a block level element used to group content into session. It helps organize the layout of a web page. Opening tag and this is the closing tag. Content is between them. Span tag. Inside span used to style or manipulate a specified part of the text. Example, I have given the text here and here its closing tag. Comes then form. Now, why do you use form? We use the form to take input from the user. Starting tag and something like this ending tag. In between this, we have input button, whatever we need, we can take. Now, what does input do? This is input control. What type of input do I need? For what type of input the user give? Give in text like a name or it is a username. A password will be its type. For example, email ID. If we write email in type, then it will appear as email there. So its example is something like this. Input type and it does not have a closing tag. Then after that come that button. It create a button. If we click on it, something will be displayed. So here there is a starting tag and the button and the trending tag. Come in between it, click whatever we want to put content. We can write it here. Then after that come the table here. Now what does the table define? If we want data in a tabular format, then we will put it inside the table. So here the table tag has come in this way. This is the starting tag of the table tag and this is the closing tag of the table tag. Then here is the tr tag. What does the tr tag do? It defines the row inside the table. If the tr tag is given here, it will become a row and in between it whatever content we want to put. Come td. Now what is td? It defines a cell. Like here you have example. So what is this? It is a table data. If we put any data inside it, it will start there. Then there is th. What is this? This is the header of the cell like this data. Whatever header it will be, we will write it the th. This is 1 tr, total 1 tr, 2 tr, 3 tr, 4 tr. Like this is a complete table row. Now the thing inside it, it is the table data. Now we will see a basic HTML document in which we will see the use of some common type. So here I open my code editor. See here the doc type. Then inside it there is a HTML. Inside it there are two tags, one head and one is body. Then what inside the head? There is a title and then after that there is a body. Inside the body the data given here given is welcome to my website. Then there is a paragraph inside which it is written. This is the paragraph text on my website. Then after that there is a anchor tag inside which a link is given like example.com. Then inside that there is the content like a visit example. Now here is h2. There is a heading my list. After that there is a UL tag. There are three li. There is item 1, item 2 and item 3. Then look here is a form inside the form. There is a label. Look inside the label. Here is a name given an input box given inside which the text. Here is a type. Then the name given and the name used here. And here is a button. Here is the type of button. There is a submit and inside submit what we can see here middle of the button. So this is a become a form and this is a become a UL. Then the body is closing here and the HTML is also closing here. So our data will appear in this way. So see here in the heading we are getting welcome to my website. If I make it h3 here, so see now the heading will appear a little smaller. See some heading have become like this. I will make it bigger again. Then it has become bigger now. Then here is the p tag. This is a paragraph of text on my website. If I remove the website from here, now if I put a web page here, then see instead of website, the web page will appear here. Then look here, there is a visit example. When I am going over here, see a link will appear https example.com. So that link is here like this and the content of the visit example is visible here. If I just put visit here, remove the example, then look only visit will appear here. Then after that there is a list here. The list is given as a heading. If I change it to h4, then see it will become a little smaller. This list has become a list smaller. I will put it back as h2. Then after that see here the li is given item 1, item 2 and item 3. Now I have given those order listed here. Now if I go to take it in the order list like 1, 2 or 3, then I will simply add it here. So see Here 1, 2 and 3 will come on the list. Now the ally date is inside it. I will change it to 3. Here the item 1 will become item 3. Let me correct it back. Now the name is given inside the label. There is a form here. The label is given inside it. The name is given inside the label here. So it is begin display here. In this way, if I make it a username here, like username, then see the username will appear here. There is a tag in the input here. So I can put any name here. I can type anything. In case if I type password here, then see. Now if I type anything here, a password will appear in this field. So this is how we use the input. Then here is the submit button. See, this is a clickable button. So friends, look here. Its output is defined here in such a way. Then in its example, what is given here? There is a doc type HTML which declare or define tag that this is a document type. So the version of HTML5 is define the doc type HTML here. After that, there is the HTML tag here in which we have to put all the code. That is the main root element. Then after that, here is the header tag. In the header tag, we can put including title, description, meta information is inside it. And then after that, there is the body tag here. In the body tag, we have seen many things like heading, paragraph, links, and form. So in this example, it contains all these things in this way. This is the estimate tag. This header tag is the opening tag. Then here the title tag. Then the header tag is closing. Here the body tag is opening. Here is the header, paragraph. There is the anchor tag. So this is how it is become visible. So friends, these were some common HTML tags. If you want to know something else, then you can ask in the comments. Keep smiling and happy coding. Thank you.